Hey guys, how's it going? So I got a bit of a weird one here. I know what the problem is. Customer who does a lot of his own work. He knows enough. He could do quite a bit. He says that the cooling fans aren't coming on. Okay. He says he checked the fuses, he checked the relays. Everything seems to be doing what it's supposed to do. But the fans just aren't coming on. He's got no power getting to the fans. Okay. So, of course I don't go by what anybody says. So I start double checking what he told me. Sure enough, I got power at the fuses and I could feel the relays clicking. Okay. Now I'm actuating, he has his own scanner too, so he's actuating relays just like I am. And you can hear it click. Just because they click doesn't mean they're working. That's something that a lot of people make a mistake about. Let me show you something. So I got my scanner here and I got it into actuators and I have the fan control low speed. Now I'm going to toggle it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the phone. This is the low speed fan relay. I'm going to toggle that relay. I want to see if you can hear it. You heard that click? Let me do it again. You heard that. Okay, but now you don't hear any fans coming on, do you? No fans. I'm going to swap relays and show you what happens. So here we go. This is the relay that was in the car. Pull that one out. Put this one in, like that. Now, let's come over here and let's toggle it again. You hear it? So there you go, the fans are working. So my whole point to this is, just because a relay is clicking doesn't mean it's working. I've seen this many times over the years. It'll throw you for a loop too, because you hear it clicking, you just automatically assume it's working. Not necessarily. And here's the one I took out. It clicks, but doesn't do anything. I mean, it's no corrosion. It looks perfectly fine. So, like, what in the world is going on? Like, what causes that? There's contacts inside here, almost like points that have to make contact like points do, and they complete a circuit. So I'd be willing to bet just the points have basically corroded themselves inside. Just a bad design on this particular relay for whatever reason. So that's it. I mean, it's pretty simple. That's going to fix it. I'm confident about that. So anyway, that's about it. So if you're getting something out of my videos, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.